Hello friends, welcome to OBRB tutorials. So today in this video we'll see one interesting DAX problem. So where I have to calculate next expected order date. Okay. So this one I have to calculate. So inputs are given as customer ID and order date. Okay. So first we have to calculate first order date. Okay. And last order date and calculate the average frequency. How you get the average of frequency? This is number of days taken for each order. So that is average frequency. For example, we have three orders here and the number of days taken for these three orders is last order minus first order. So we'll get the 24 here. If you subtract 12th September from 6th October, we'll get 24 days. So 24 by 3 is 8. Okay. So once you get this average frequency, then next expected date is last order plus this average frequency. So 6th October plus 8 equal to 14th October. So like that we have to calculate. So let's see in the DAX. So I have a table here. Then I will write a measure. Okay. So first we'll calculate variable x equal to minimum date of the order date. Okay, minimum of the order date. Here customer is a single customer is there. So this is a single customer table. So we have to calculate x, which is the minimum order date. So that is nothing but calculate min, okay, order date, min order date. And we have to remove all filters because in Power BI DAX, each row is a filter context. So we have to remove all filters by using all, okay, all table, right? So this gives us the minimum date. Similarly, calculate maximum date, okay. So here maximum date, okay. Then you have to calculate number of orders. Number of orders here is 3. Okay, before that we'll calculate the difference between these 2 days. That is nothing but let's say variable days and difference between these two dates. So date diff x comma y comma day. So in days we'll get the difference. After that we have to calculate number of orders. Means here number of orders is 3. So how we'll get 3? We have to get the rows of the table. Okay. So how you calculate rows of the table? Number of orders equal to nothing but number of rows. Okay. So first we have to calculate the table. Okay. We have to calculate the table. Then we'll calculate the number of rows of the table. So calculate table, then table and remove all filters. Okay. Once you get the calculated table, then use the count rows. Then you will get the number of orders. Okay. So you got number of days between the orders and number of orders. Okay. Then you have to calculate the next expected date. That is nothing but return. Okay. We have to add days by number of days to the y. That is the last order, right? So this will give you the next expected date of order. Okay, so let's format to the short date. Okay, then give here measure. So 14 is the answer. So next expected date is 14. Let us check in our data. Yeah, 14 is the next expected order date. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX practical problems. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.